Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will create a Python project basic calculator and use Python module Tkinter to add the GUI for graphical user interface. So let's start calculator with the GUI using Tkinter. Okay, so first we import Tkinter library. So import Tkinter as TK. Okay, you can use Python's Tkinter module to create a GUI based calculator. Tkinter is a standard Python module for creating graphical user interface. Now our next step is class calculator semicolon. Now define a function self comma master. Okay, so self dot master equal to master dot title calculator. Okay, now after this, create the entry fields. So for this, self dot entry equal to tk dot entry. Now it will get the parameter. The first one is master. The second one is width. So which is 30, and content justify, which is equal to right. Now after this, what will be the font? So for this we use Arial. You can use any other different font as well, and the font size is 16. Okay, so use the inverted single quote comma. Okay, now after this, self dot entry dot grid. Okay, so row equal to 0, column equal to 0, column span which is 0, 4, padding on x-axis which is 10, and padding on y-axis which is 10. So in this code we create a class called calculator that inherits from the Tkinter frame class. We make an instance of this class by calling the tk function, which opens a new window. Okay, now after this, we need to create a button. Okay, so for this, we use self dot create underscore button. Now the first one is text, the second one is row, on which row the button should be placed, and column 0. Okay, now after this, 2 1. Okay, so here we use 3 2, now 4 2 0. We then create an entry field for the calculator as well as a series of buttons that represent the calculator digits, operators, and other functions. Okay, now after this, we create a function create underscore button. Now it will take some arguments. Now text, row, and the last one is column. Okay, now after this, declare a variable button equal to tk dot button. So self dot master text equal to text, width equal to 5, height equal to 2, font style and size Arial, and size is 16. Now after this command equal to lambda self dot button underscore click text. Now after this button dot grid row equal to row, column equal to column, padding on x-axis is 5 and also on y-axis 5. So we assign a command to each button that is called when the button is clicked, and we implement these commands in the calculator class button click method. Okay, now after this define button underscore click self text. So if text equal to the sign, now here we use a try exception case. Now result equal to str self dot entry dot get. Now after this self dot entry dot delete 0 tk dot end. After this self dot entry dot insert 0 result. Now accept self dot entry dot delete 0 tk dot end self dot entry dot insert, here we use 0 show error. Now elif text equal to self dot entry dot delete, so here we use a 0 tk dot end. Now after this elif text equal to ce, so self dot entry dot delete length self dot entry dot get minus tk dot end. Now else self dot entry dot insert tk dot end and text. Okay, so here we okay, now save. So when you run this code, a window with a calculator should appear, allowing you to perform basic arithmetic operations. Okay, now after this here we use root equal to tk dot tk. Now after this calculator, which is equal to calculator, here we use root. Now after this root dot main loop. Okay, save and run the code. Okay, we got an error, calculator object has no attribute create button. Mm, there is an error with the indentation. Now run code. Okay, did you mean grid? We got an error online 40, which is a grid. Okay, so here you can see the interface of calculator. So 1 plus 1, click on equal to, which is 2, plus 8, which is 10, minus 1 9, and so on. So in this video of the series we learned how to create a GUI based calculator using Python and Tkinter. So please feel free to post in comments if you have some specific suggestion for Python projects. If you found this video useful, so Follow me as I go on my content journey.